As the new year begins, we are pleased to meet you again in the Onpassive studio. Welcome, and let me present you with most momentous events of the month. As always, with the onset of 2024, Onpassive shines bright with multiple and unique achievements. The beginning of the year witnessed the signing of the first contracts of Onjoy platform with the specialized production companies. Geared towards children and mothers in the Arab region, this platform is affiliated with O Media, the media arm of Onpassive. The signing ceremony, held at Onpassive Cairo branch, saw the participation of distinguished figures like Professor Suzanne El-Khalini, the executive director of O Media, president of Onjoy platform, and the visionary behind Onjoy, who established the platform with a firm belief in the power of digital media and the role of modern media platforms in consolidating the Arabic principles and values in the consciousness of children and young people. Dr. Tariq Tantawi, CEO of Onpassive Egypt, signed the contracts on behalf of Onpassive and representatives from production companies and Onjoy platform team. This comes as a part of O Media's plan to launch the first digital platform dedicated for children and young people in the Arab region that focuses on providing educational and entertaining content that is safe and fun at once for the said audience. As a landmark step towards more sustained achievements and successes, engineer Mohammed Kamal, COO of Onpassive, announced the significant event of the registration and accreditation of the company with ICANN, the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, which is responsible for distributing and managing IP addresses and domain names and assigning high-level web addresses across the world. Such a step will pave the way for the upcoming launch of O-Domain to register domains and web addresses directly from Onpassive. A delegation from the Taqdeer Award, headed by Lieutenant Colonel Khalid Ismail, Secretary General of the award, accompanied by the award's working group, visited the Onpassive headquarters in Dubai. They were received by engineer Mohammed Kamal, COO of Onpassive, and Professor Suzanne El-Khalini, the executive director of O Media. The delegation offered their thanks for Onpassive's team for their efforts in managing social media platforms and their success in increasing the registered number of companies nominated for the award. Professor Suzanne El-Khalini, the executive director of O Media, has announced that the O Media team is finalizing the last preparations for the mid-February launch of the media AI unit called OI Media. This unit will provide comprehensive media and marketing services based on artificial intelligence technologies and be affiliated with O Media, the media arm of Onpassive. As a part of Onpassive's keenness to the community participation, O Media's training department participated in providing the training program titled Media Marketing for the employees of the Federal Authority for Identity, Citizenship, Customs and Port Security, ICP in Abu Dhabi, which was facilitated by Dr. Hiba Edib, Training Department Manager at O Media. Engineer Mohammed Murad, Director of Information Technology Department, and Mr. Mohammed Nazzal, Chief Marketing Officer, and Ms. Akan Kasha Vajpayee, Manager in Change Management and Governance, visited the T-Hub Center for Innovation and Empowering an Onpassive Ecosystem in Hyderabad, India. This center focuses on developing strategic programs to stimulate innovation and enhance the success of the Onpassive ecosystem. Due to Onpassive's many successes and to improve private-public partnerships, the Dubai Police General Headquarters registered Onpassive in its electronic system for suppliers. This action enables Onpassive through its media arm, O Media, to implement projects and events for Dubai Police in the near future. From that point, we conclude the month's achievements. Stay tuned for new achievements next month.